lash reveal, lash reveal. The most important part of my cluster lash technique is your lash tape. This is the same lash tape that professional lash techs use. It is safe for your skin. Take your strip of lash tape horizontal. You're going to tape it down really close to the base of your lid where your lashes grow out. You're going to lift it up and you're going to tape it up to your eyebrow. Give a little swipe so it sticks. We're going to reptile blink. And we're going to take our very special, very fancy, very new gray Bond and Seal. We're going to take the Bond side of our new fancy special gray Bond and Seal. We're going to reptile blink. And I'm going to take this Bond and I'm going to put it all over my lashes from root to tip as if I was putting on mascara. This is a special new gray Bond. It's supposed to give you the clear effect of a white clear glue without the white crusty overcast. So get this all over your lashes from root to tip. Applying your glue from root to tip is not only going to make your lashes stay on longer, it's also going to prevent your lashes from twisting and turning, getting uncomfortable, and getting messed up when you sleep. As long as you remove your lashes after 7 days and you use my removal technique, which is posted in my lash playlist, you will not have any damage. Okay, so look at how this gray glue looks. You can barely see it. So that is not as noticeable as black, but it's not as crusty as white. So I feel you look. I see what you did there. Once you get that glue all over your lashes, you're going to want to let it sit for about 45 seconds to get tacky. When the glue gets a little tacky, it's just easier to stick your lashes, okay? This is a lash kit that maps out your lashes for you. So you don't have to follow a lash map. It puts them in a cat eye order for you. All you have to do is start at the outer corner with the longest length and just go down. The only thing I ever run into is that I don't need to use all these. Usually there's 1 or 2 extra lashes I don't have to use. We're going to reptile blink so our eye doesn't dry out. I want you to dip your applicator into a cup of water every single time you pick up a lash. The reason we do this is to prevent the fake lash from trying to stick to the applicator. So I want you to grab your lashes from the kit, from the bottom. Grab it from the bottom like this, transfer it over into your other hand, come back around, grab it by the tip, reptile blink. You don't just apply all of your lashes straight up and down like this. You have to follow the angle of your natural lash. So you see the outer corner is like this, and you gotta angle as you get to the inner corner. What I like to do to make that easier is just tilt my head. We're gonna tilt our head and we're gonna come in a few lashes. We don't want to start all the way out here because then it's gonna look droopy. So we're gonna come in a few lashes. We're going to stick it down real close to the base of our lash, but making sure it's not inside that waterline. We're going to dip our applicator in water again. All we're doing is going down the line from longest to shortest. Remember, there's no lash map. They mapped it out for you. Peel it off from the bottom. Side by side, no overlap necessary. As close as you can get it to the base of your lash without getting it inside that waterline. Remember, no lash map, guys. They're pre-mapped for you. All of these videos are done on TikTok Live. Be sure to follow me there. Once all of your lashes are on, you're going to dip your applicator in water, and we're going to pinch our lashes. You're going to start by pinching them at the bottom, and then you're going to pinch all the way up to the top. And then you're going to dip your applicator in water again. You're going to go in towards the center, start pinching at the bottom, pinch all the way up to the top. Dip your applicator in water again. I'm telling you that it will stick to your applicator and it will hurt. That's why we dip our applicator in water. Now we're going to do the inner corner, pinch at the bottom, and pinch all the way up to the top. Okay. We are now going to go into the seal side of our Bond and Seal here. It's a different color. It's a gray seal too. Okay, you luck. We're going to tap the seal at the base. We pinched our lashes. We sealed our lashes. Now we're going to pinch them again. So we have to dip our applicator in water again. Reptile blink so your eye doesn't dry out, and then we're going to pinch them a second time. Remember, we're pinching them from root to tip, and pinch from root to tip. The very last step, guys, we're going to take a Q-tip, dip this Q-tip in water, and just touch that waterline with that wet Q-tip. This is just going to make sure there's no residual glue or seal that you can't see on that waterline, because that'll dry down and irritate you later. Reptile blink, lash reveal, lash reveal.